What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Doing the M5. Doing a little M5 video today. Hope you all doing good, man. Hope you guys are doing good, man. Hope you all grinding out. Putting God first, man. Like this, one thing I realized, bro. Like after high school, bro. Oof. Wait, hold on. I cannot wait to tune this thing. Cannot wait. Honestly, what's taking me a minute to tune this thing is I want to find someone right, you know? Someone that knows how to tune it like properly. And I'm not trying to overkill it with power. I just want it to sound amazing. So of course I have to change. I want to obviously get to probably E85 or a mixture of E80. Whoa. Bro, what was that sound? What the heck? Oh, another thing I need to do is lower this car too. I need to lower this thing, put like a little bit of a spacer to make it like super slimmed out. I wanna make this thing. I wanna put spacers on this thing. Not spacers. I wanna lower this thing for sure because. Like, it really feels pretty good to the ground, but I want to make it, like, really nice to the ground. You know what I'm saying? I want to make this thing have more grip, honestly. Like, more control, if anything, because it low-key does feel like it has a little bit less control. Man, I love how smooth this thing is. And there's an M2 behind me. I can't tell if it's an M2 or M240i, but oh, the yellow light. He's gonna post up next to me. Oh, no, yeah, he's switching lanes. Watch this. Thank you, bro. Dude, homie's M2 sounded really good. Really good. I'm gonna be honest, bro. M240i, bro, they sound good. I low-key would honestly want one. Just because dude, I don't know. I think it's B58. The B58 engine's good, bro. It sounds good. I don't know if it's the same one. If that's the same engine that's on the M2. To be honest with you guys, I haven't done my research in a minute. But they sound great, man. Honestly, if you're trying to save money, bro, it's all you need. Honestly. Yo, that sounds good. Yeah, that sounds hella good. I'm gonna be honest. I would totally rock that car. Frick it, I'll go this way. I love my turbos. I need to make videos from the front again, the way I used to. Oh my. I hope you guys can hear it from the video because it's... Oh my gosh. It's vivid. It's actually hella vivid. Oh my gosh. It's vivid as heck, bro. Oh my. Dude, I'm just so happy this car is not only exhaust. That's why I don't think I get any car that's NA. Like if I was gonna get a Porsche, bro, I would have to get GT2 RS or 911. Nothing in between, bro, because there's NA cars just can't. I want noises from both ends. I want noises from the exhaust, and I want noises from the supercharger or whatever it is, supercharger, turbocharged. I love the sound of turbos though. But honestly, I feel like supercharged is good like on a Hellcat. I don't know, like on a Lambo, I wouldn't really want one. Oh, Nissan, clean Nissan. Honestly, I love Nissan's engines. Built so well. Oh my gosh, they legit sound like gunshots right now. Hope all you guys doing good, man. Hope all you guys grinding towards something. It's just crazy how time, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, time flies way too fast. Like knowing that it's already been 5 months into the business, 4 employees. It's just crazy how time freaking flies, man. Like that's what's so crazy. That's what made me want to do this even more. Is like there's so much opportunity, and I want to get my friends into some of the OEM I used to work for. But to be honest with you, bro, they gatekeep hella hard. So I was able to get anyone, and to be honest with you, bro, once you start making good money, you stop caring about like you don't care to gatekeep when you're like when you found a niche, bro. You don't care to gatekeep it, especially when there's too much opportunity. Oh my. Low-key driving in neighborhoods is kind of more fun. More ASMR. Knowing that I love the turbos, bro. It's a different type of aura, bro. Knowing that this car's twin turbo is just crazy. Oh my. You can hear this thing blowing off. Oh my gosh, it sounds like a diesel truck. Oh my gosh, bro, I didn't know there was a house here with you could park an RV. Bro, that's sick. He must have just put that in there. Oh no, this one has one too. What? Bro, I did not know this existed where I live. I kind of knew it existed, but not like this close to where I live. That's sick. That's sick because it's like when I want to have a house like this, so I can park up all my cars. My goal is to invest as much money as I can into real estate and passive income to a point where I can just keep buying cars and just enjoying life, bro. I did not know I had my AC blasting, guys. My bad. My bad, I have my AC blasting. Look, another one, bro. That's sick, man. Oh my. Turbos, man. I can't get over it. I'm just so happy I got a V8 muscle supercharged German V8 twin turbo. Literally all that's next is just supercars, and getting there is not even that hard, bro. Like I don't want to talk about financial advice because I'm not trying to give the wrong advice, but I'm gonna be honest with you, there's a lot of good long-term stocks, that I look into. And honestly, dude, the problem is you have to just invest your money and not look at it, bro. And then a year from now, you'll be so grateful. That's what I did for the past like 3 years. And these cars are pretty much paid off with basically my passive income. But the next goal is to get an SVJ paid off, you know what I'm saying? If I can get a monthly SVJ payment paid off somehow with passive income, that's it, bro. That's the main freaking goal. That's like the main goal right now. Because I'm gonna be honest, bro, like I feel like once you get an SVJ, bro, life's complete, man. So I'm trying to get to that point. Lighting isn't too crazy. It is bright. Like, it's crazy bright right now, I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh my gosh. It's because of the trees, it's so loud. That sounded crazy. Yeah, this spot's perfect. Oh my. No, like for a house, it's a stock tune. It's like when you have the cats on, you don't hear this. Like the way it pops, you don't hear it when the cats are on, bro. It's kind of crazy that they do it like from the factory, because when I'm in Germany, bro, dude, the regulations are there. It's sad. It's honestly sad. Pretty much if you buy a car that you can't even enjoy it, unless you're like, you pretty much have to risk your freaking license and being suspended for like, I think it's like a month or something like that. And you get your car towed instantly. Like there's no mercy, bro. When I was there was no mercy. Dude, I got fully searched without doing anything. They were just doing a regular checkup and I got fully searched. Car freaking stripped down naked, pretty much. Look at that, bro. Canyons right here. Like this is like legit hours worth of canyons. Like a good hour, depending where you're going. Oh my. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I put some octane boost on this thing just because I wanted to run a little bit rich, just a little bit, not much. And I'm gonna be honest with you, it drives way better. Like there's a slight difference, and I can for sure see it. This thing recommends 91, but realistically you want to be using like 93, but since I'm in America, they don't got that here. Come on, pop, baby. See, I wish it popped higher. See, I'm gonna honestly do some research this week and try to find something to tune my car, because I need to get this thing tuned ASAP. Oh my gosh. No, this thing sounds like a whole different car. What the? Yo, dude, I'm tripping right now. I don't know if it's because it's been like a long week of me not driving this thing. I really don't know. The reason why it rattles just a little bit is because it's if you tune it, it sounds, dude, I'm telling you, when you tune it, it's exactly what you need it to be. Like stock power, it's gonna sound like that, you know. Once you tune it though, you can make it sound aggressive and pull. All it's lacking is a pull at the end. If it pulls heavy, it sounds amazing. When it pulls light, it's like it sounds weak and like rattles just a little bit. But last time I had a friend that had a tune, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I've only met one guy that actually has one. But when you tune it, it's a whole different beast. I hope I recorded enough, but if I didn't, hope you guys enjoy this video, man. I try not to talk as much about work and stuff. The only reason why you guys see me talking about work so much, man, is because that's what my life's been since I was legit full time, 17. So since then, dude, it's been just nonstop grind. I mean, dude, to become really good at a job, bro, you gotta put more in than everybody else does. And when you're young, bro, this is the best time to do that. You don't even have to work crazy hours, but somebody that works crazy hours, by the time they're 30, bro, they're gonna be 5x ahead of you for sure. I don't know anyone that's put that much work in and is still in the same place, even close. So I'm so blessed to be where I'm at, bro. I give all glory to God, man. Love the way when it switches gears like that, it is perfect, bro. It's just gotta switch. It's just when I'm doing higher gear gassing, all it needs to do is switch gears like that, and it sounds juicy, bro. There's like one specific gear that doesn't switch like that. Oh my. Yo, that's. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, I mean, I'm gonna tell you right now, boys, we definitely gonna get Huracan and an SV or SVJ. Just depends on how things go for the next couple of years. But oh my, dude, that's ridiculous. Dude, it's loud from the inside. Imagine the outside of this car. But if you guys enjoyed the video, man, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like. If you guys want to see more and obviously see the level up, bro, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh my. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.